All right, so today's video, I don't know if it's gonna be the whole video about it, but today's video is going to involve the Audi. Now I'll show you a couple of things that I've done to the Audi so far, and actually something I'm gonna be doing to it soon, which is kind of the premise of this video. So here it is, doesn't look much different than it did. My friend Billy has one of these too. I'd like to get both the cars together and just kind of record them both and do a walk around of both of them. But he wound up doing the RS4 bumper on his Audi, so he wound up giving me these carbon fiber, I mean, I wouldn't call them canards, but these carbon fiber covers that go over this lower brushed aluminum piece right here. And one of the other things that Billy gave me for the car actually was this carbon fiber wing. He has more of the duckbill style on his car, which I do plan on getting and I want eventually, but hey, for free I can't complain. It definitely helps the appearance of it a lot. The purpose of this isn't to show you what I've done, it's to show you what I'm going to do. So the stock S4 wheels are pretty nice for what they are. I did the paint on them, I talked about in another video, but I wanted something different, and Billy was switching up the look on his car, so I wound up buying his old setup. And I'll take them out of here to give you guys a better view, but they're 19 by 9.5 Rohanas. But the tires don't really matter because I'm switching them out because one of them is actually popped anyway. But let me get these out of here and I'll show you guys them. And I'm probably going to test fit a couple of them on the car. All right, there they are. And they actually are directional, like side directional. So there is a left side and a right side for the wheels. But they're, like I said, they're 19 by 9.5 Rohana. I think they're RFX 7s or something like that. And so I don't know if I want to do the silver on silver because that's the whole reason why I changed these. But let me get a couple of these mounted up and then I'll show you guys. Screw it, I'll just put you guys on my chest so you can see everything that goes on. Pop these center caps off first. I should know better by now. 17 mil, not 19. I don't know what I was thinking. Grab old Big Bertha here. Okay. One more. Come on. Damn it. Where you at? Ah, I said it, not even listen. Wheel lock. That's our guy. That's our guy right there. There we go. Just for a little visual side comparison, you can see the differences and on the width of them. So let's get one of these units on. I was being a dummy and I had my impact socket, but it was too big for the openings on these, so I had to get a little chrome unit. Moving on to the backs now. Pick up this stuff and get this thing on the ground and see how she looks. There they is. But you know what, I'm pretty mixed. I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna say I really like it, but I'm not gonna say that I dislike it either. She's got a nice side profile now. I like it, I do. Probably just send it looking like this for now until I get tired of her and decide I want to paint them, I guess. Got brand new rubbers for them because that one has a hole in it, like I was saying, and the others are wearing a little uneven. It didn't make sense to get one new tire, so all new tires for them. And I think the reality of no turning back is going to happen the minute I touch these with sandpaper. Yes, I'm going to sand them down because I want the paint to stick well and I want to do them right and everything. I am doing the inside of the barrels as well as obviously the faces and in between the spokes. But in my opinion, I think this color will actually look pretty good on these wheels. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Come here. You sniff the packages? You know what's in there? You know what's in those packages? One of them is wheel spacers. The wheels are scattered all over the garage right now because the garage is actually a mess because I finally got this pile inside and I'm tearing into this, getting new injectors, timing, valve cover, N80 valve, serpentine belt, carbon cleaning, blah, 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 because I gotta get this thing running right and it's already torn apart now, so I kind of know turning back. Anyway, here is the finished product of the wheels. Got all of them done. They're just, because I got all the parts here, so I had to put two against here, one right here. I gotta burn all these boxes, but it's been raining for 2 weeks, so I can't even get outside to do that. But it's finally sunny today. And there's the last one. Well, not using the spacers because the center board is too small. So no spacers, whatever. The units are on. Let's take a look. There they are. in all their glory. I'm pumped with how they came out though. I'm definitely glad that I went with the charcoal instead of leaving them silver though, for sure. But this looks good. Looks mean. Time to get a good diffuser, big aggressive one or something. But yeah, they look pretty good. But yeah, there she is, looking nice. But in more exciting news, we're going riding for the first time this year in the Northeast. Tomorrow I'm going to Hurricane Hills, first ride of the year. I'm pretty pumped up. I know I'm gonna have arm pump, and it's gonna be a real tiring one. I'm gonna be winded. Next morning, a little brisk one this morning, but it's not bad. Gonna start at the 6.4. I gotta go to the dump before I go to the track. Breaking out the new John for the day. Clean unit. Clean unit.
I'm gonna edit. Shut up, Diane. Thanks.
What do you think? Ready?
Hopefully it's not too muddy. We've had rain for like 2 weeks straight. That's why we got the 450s. They're like tractors. They'll pull through this mud. The 250s for this afternoon. That's the freshie.
Got my 450, Dad's 450, and the 250 all crammed in here. Make them work though, you know? How you doing up there? You doing all right?
Oh yeah.
You sure?
Oh yeah.
You want to talk about it?
Well, I'm not aggravated yet, so everything's going all right, I guess.
He's not aggravated yet. That's the key
I gotta
word.
get my breakfast. You know, old guys, I went to the bathroom. I had my coffee. Now I gotta get my food.
Watch, I'll get him going. He won't even know I'm recording. Watch this. So, can I just, you think I could wear your new helmet just to try it instead of mine or no?
Yeah, why?
All right, because I don't know if I want this one actually, if you want to trade.
Yeah, I don't care. It don't matter to me. They're both the same size, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine's in there. It doesn't matter. Why, you like the teal one?
Oh, that backfired. I was recording. I was expecting you to be like, no, Eric, you know what you bought.
No, I don't care.
Yeah, first thing you don't care about, of course. Of course, when I get the camera on, you try to play it.
Yeah, you're portraying me as this mean guy, and I give you anything. You want my boots? You can't have my bike though, or my sandwich this morning.
Off limits.
That ain't happening.
What's up, dude? What's up, dude?
How we doing?
Pretty good. How about you? Are you gonna get this thing dirty or what?
Good, right.
Whee! I'm not gonna make first practice, but I'll go get videos of you. All right? Finally made it up here. Dad finally got his breakfast sandwich, so he's happy. And I'm gonna start unloading some stuff now.
I think it's been a long winter for him, so I'm pretty sure I can take him until the cobwebs come out.
Sheesh.
211 is like that 6 lane, that big fucking
Black.
Yeah.
Black.
There's like the Burger
Nuh-uh.
King,
Pop the top.
the CVS.
Pop the top.
He's like right
Sheesh.
between the Burger King and the CVS. Okay. Fairly
Guy's an
nice
animal.
for that
Black
one.
coffee on a
But he
Saturday.
did everything on this one. Almost worked out for sure.
you got going on here? What happened?
It looks to me like somebody was
Firing up a radio?
Yeah.
What do you think, Max? What's going on with this back wheel, huh? Are the rumors true? Are you back on Honda?
Never.
Never?
When are you gonna sell me this thing?
You don't want that, do you?
No.
No.
I'd die on this thing.
What's up, my dude?
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Be safe out there.
Thanks, homie.
We gotta sum it up.
Huh? What?
We gotta sum it up.
What if I headbutt you right now?
Had a good day.
Huh?
Had a good day. Track was.
Headbutt you?
Why?
Yeah. Rhett, stop cursing. This is my YouTube channel. I gotta edit all this out now.
Good.
No, I know. Don't
Are you really kidding?
Yeah, it's on right now.
Hi!
Hi.
Hi! Hi! Hi!
Hi.
Oh, I expected an F word.
Fuck off. Don't fucking crash.
You're gonna have the duck quacking the whole time.
I might even keep
Hey,
that.
it's really nice if you stay left up top. All right, just stay left up top. All right.
All right, sounds good. I'll keep note of that. That's the end of the day. Gas stayed pretty clean. I didn't even touch the 450 honestly, because I was riding the 250 so much trying to get that dialed in and everything that I didn't even bother using this. I'll ride it next time though. I love this bike. But yeah, got some scuffs and mud on the 250 though. Broke her in. Too many hours we got on it now. Probably like 1.7. Almost time for her first oil change. She did good though. A few suspension adjustments here and there, tire pressure, and it's mint. All solid day, right?
Very solid, but very painful.
Yeah. Old man issues, right? Hey, you're still sending on a 450 though at 58, so
Yeah.
props.
What'd you say?
I went down hard, he goes.
Oh, right there.
That's what he said.
You got her? Beautiful for the spectators.
You want me to
Lay
grab
that
it?
motherfucker right down. Like, look at the old guy.
So glad you're here.
You know.
Oh, hi.
Solid day. Good day for the new unit too. Held up good, as it should. But we're probably looking to go to Budds Creek or Breezewood Proving Grounds the next couple weeks. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.